When he when Arpan heard this news, so he said, "That's a great idea. So let's go to your uncle's store." So Kumar's uncle agreed, but he warned Arpan that the work was not easy. So he would work hard. Arpan started his work from Monday. He was tired after school, but the store manager did not worry about him. So he said to the Arpan to arrange the cartoons in the store and count count them very carefully. Arpan was not allowed even a minute to rest. Yeah, Arpan did not take a rest. The manager was a stern person. Stern means, so he is a very strict person. So he hardly even smiled, यानी वो मुश्किल से ही स्माइल करता था. So when Arpan reached home that evening, he was very tired. He did not play cricket. He did not watch TV. So he just went straight to the bed and sleep, because he was very tired that day. So when the 5th day's work was over, the manager gave 100 rupee note to Arpan. Arpan's eyes sparkled with the feel of his hard-earned money. Yani Arpan was very happy to see this 100 rupee note. So that evening, Arpan walked into his father's study room and quietly kept the money on his table. Yani Arpan put the 100 rupee note on the table and looked into his father's eyes. So have you earned it yourself? So Mr. Vikas said. So ये आपने कमाया है. Mr. विकास ने कहा कि ये आपने कमाया है. So and he threw the 100 rupee note out of the window. Saying this, he threw the 100 rupee note out of the window. So how can you do that? Arpan said. So he was very sad. So seeing that, and he ran outside to find this money bag. So in minute he was back. His eyes were moist, he was crying and his face was looking tense. So what kind of joke is this, Dad? So he said to his father. So his father said, it is not a joke, and that is exactly what I wanted you to understand. यानी मैं तुम्हें एग्जैक्ट यही समझाना चाहता था कि well, I am going to increase your pocket money to 500. So I am very happy to seeing that. So this 100 rupee note you earn by yourself. So I will increase your pocket money to 500, because this time you have really worked hard to earn this money. So his father said. So now you know what it takes to earn money. So now you have understood the worth of hard earned money. अब जो है अर्पण वो समझ गया था कि मेहनत से कमाए हुए पैसे की वैल्यू क्या होती है. So I am sure now you will never waste money at all. So father said, I am sure कि तुम अब कभी भी money waste नहीं करोगे. So said Mr. Vikas, and he embraced his son. So Arpan was quiet and he had learned a great lesson for the rest of his life. यानी उसने एक बहुत ही great lesson सीख लिया था अपनी पूरी life के लिए. So here is a winning 500. So giving 500 rupee note. So Mr. Vikas said, so take this 500 rupee. So can I start a saving bank account with this money, Dad? So asked Arpan. So things were not the same with him any longer. यानी चीज़ें जो हैं एक जैसी नहीं रहती लंबे समय तक, कभी ना कभी इंसान को बदलना पड़ता है. सो इसी तरीके से अर्पण भी चेंज हो गया, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा खर्च करता था, और इस तरीके से उसके फादर ने उसको एक लेसन टीच किया और उसने मनी को सेव करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. सो इफ़ यू सेव मनी टुडे सो इट विल सेव यू टुमारो. सो द कोटेशन इज इफ़ यू सेव मनी टुडे सो इट विल सेव यू टुमारो. यानी अगर आप आज मनी को सेव करते हो तो कल ये आपको सेव करेगी. कि कल अगर आपको पैसे की ज़रूरत है तो आप उस पैसे का यूज़ करके अपनी लाइफ को सिक्योर कर सकते हो. So I hope all of you understood this chapter. So thank you and have a nice day.